There's just up here. Tourists on the sun lounges as well here. So look on the back wall there. There's all of the rooms. Super busy. I'm not going to get too close, but it's very, very busy in there. We'll run the other prices. Colouring up. How are you? That. Right. Small bintang. Some of the good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just before 4 p.m. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a street walking tour along the street of Jalan Pantai Sindhu. So the street of Jalan Pantai Sindhu is basically the street that runs all the way from Jalan Danatoba, leading you down to Sindhu beach. On the street itself, you're going to find quite a few hotel accommodation options, a few restaurant warungs, also doubling up as bars as well, coffee shops, massage and spa on the street. So in today's video, my starting point is going to be where the street of Jalan Pantai Sindhu meets the street of Jalan Danatoba. I'm going to gradually walk along the street all the way down to the beach, taking in everything along the way. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you the street of Jalan Pantai Sindhu here in Sanur. Okay, so this is a start point for today's video, directly in front of the street now. This is the street of Jalan Danatoba, very, very busy with traffic on the street. Not too many people, but busy with cars. Directly across the street there is the street of Jalan Danutandakan, and that heads up towards the bypass. A few nice warungs along there. This is Jalan Danatoba. You can see it's very busy, even a bus on the street, some bars. Have Jimmy's Sports Bar across the street there. In today's video, this is the street we're going to be walking along, the street of Jalan Pantai Sindhu. So directly across the street there we have Warung Sports, something like that. See inside, it's just a local little warung, that one. We're going to head over here. We have an accommodation over here. So we have Asri Bali Sanur guest house in the back there. And here's the street that we're going to be heading along today, Jalan Pantai Sindhu. A guy cooking a satay over the street here. Hello, how are you? Satay, yeah? Cooking a satay on the street there. A little tour information, tour booking service here. No one appears to be at the counter. A little sisters spa and a local money exchange across the street there. Some local little warung here selling all your snacks and drinks and things. Private surf trip. Well, that's empty. We have a barber shop here. Haircut 50k it says on the window there. And some of the other prices. Colouring also. Highlight. Opening hours there. And another spa across the street there. So this is a place called Lily Spa. There's the prices. Hello, how are you? There's the name, Lily Spa. There's all the different treatments and things available here. So waxing. How are you? Continue walking down the street. So just from Lily Spa there, I've just crossed to the other side of the street just so we can pick this up. This is Warung Sports. There's the name up above there. It's the inside seating area. Bar counter area. Hello, how are you? Flat screen TVs as well. And then just walking along here, here's some of the food and things available here. I do actually have friends that come here. They say it's very good food. Small bintang, some of the different things available. Just carrying on from there, we have Krishna Kitchen or something like that. I think this is a commercial type kitchen. Oh no, it's actually open to the public as well. Happy hour. snack set, bintang and some snacks there. Nice looking food. That's Tisna Kitchen. A little warung across the street there. We also have Hay Juice, cold pressed juice bar. Well, it doesn't appear to be open today, or whether it's closed permanently. It should be open, given the information on the window. We have Orange Warung across the street there. Happy hour, 5 PM till 7 p, all beer 5k off. It's all there in Aussie Orange Warung, like a bar. Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Just walking along the street here. So just across the street from Aussie Orange, I forgot about this place. We have a place called Wisana House. Also has another name. Let's just get to the counter and see here. Oh, it's Wayan Homestay. I've featured this in a video. Wayan Homestay. There's the rooms here. Nice rooms actually these. I shall add the link in the description for you if you want to take a look. So just from Aussie Orange Warung, we have a place called Nina Cafe just next door. We have Bull's Coffee and the yellow sign there. Let's go and see what Nina Cafe has to offer. Oh, so this is like all the shawarmas and the kebabs and things like that. Wow, some black ones there. On the kebabs also. Some juices as well. I'll just show you through the window, no need to go inside. There's a seating area inside. There's some people in, so I don't want to go and disturb them while they're eating. Like a little bit of a residential area as well here. This is the Bull's Coffee. Never actually been in here, but always looks quite nice. Seating area at the front here. New menu here. Some actual customers inside there. Just cut on this side of the street now. Quite a few of the businesses are closed along here. Maybe it's a little bit too much of a quiet street this. There's going to be some hotels coming up in a moment. OCA Divers here. So this is a Paddy Dive Centre, OCA Divers it's called. Just here we have the Kayangan Boutique Hotel. Information here. Just have a promo on the beers there for the beer bucket, and then we'll just show you this area up here. Is the sort of seating area here. Nice collection of tables and chairs here. Beautiful seating areas. And here's heading into the reception area and the inside seating area. Nice little seating area here. Mirror there with a nice guy in. Here's a bar area. There's a seating area inside. Okay, so here's a rooftop swimming pool here at the Kayangan. Some little seating areas at the side here. Can't span too much because there's people up here. So there's a full view on the Kayangan there. I'm going to head down the street now. This is for the Shotgun Social. Funky little car there. And then here's the Shotgun Social. Beautiful restaurant, bar type place this. Shotgun Social. So I've just asked permission to just take you inside the Shotgun Social. So you have a team meeting or something. Have a beautiful seating area in here. Or tables and chairs. I'm just going to walk along the side here. It's not actually too busy at the moment. I'll just walk up to the back past the customers setting up for some live music here. With this beautiful mural artwork on the back wall there. There's There's a bar area inside of here. Beautiful big bar area. Very, very nice. And just in the back here we have a big artificial grass area, lots of seating again, lots of seating all around. Different kinds of seating. And just at the end here we have a kids play area. Nice. Slides, some rope swings and things like that. Very, very nice. Okay, so just coming out of Shotgun Social, nothing by the side of that, only trees and bushes. And continue walking down the street. So we're going to have a sports bar coming up on the left, also the Aquarius Beach Hotel on the right. It's just here. Aquarius Beach Hotel. Okay, so we just got permission from the management to take you in the Aquarius. Very, very beautiful. Nice gardens here. Some of the rooms up there. The reception desk is just to the left here. I'm going to head along here. Show you a little bit of the gardens and things as we go. They used to have a big old car. It's still here. I'll turn back and show you that in a minute. Some beautiful gardens. Some fish there. There's a big old car. Nice. All of the rooms. There's guests up there I see with the towels. The big fish pond here. Toilet facilities there also. And a pool table here as well. It's all covered up at the moment. And seating areas as well along the side here. And here's a swimming pool. Here's a look at the swimming pool from the ground. We'll take you up above and give you a better view. Just on the other side now here. Nice beautiful picture decoration on the wall. Pool is 1 metre to 2 metres, it says along the side here. So just up on the top here we have some sun lounges, wooden sun lounges, soft cushion tops, some umbrellas there. Have a gazebo here. And there's an above view of a swimming pool. Some more sun lounges on the other side as well, on the raised area. And there's all of the rooms. So we're just coming out of the Aquarius Beach Hotel now. There's like a hardware shop across the street there. We have Warung Sports here. It's very, very busy in there. Wow, super busy. I'm not going to get too close, but it's very, very busy in there. Warung Sports. Continue walking down the street now. Lots of people in there in Warung Sports. So you can see all along the side of the street here and just down by the beach, it's all motorbike parking. You pay at the top of the road, it's 2,000 for motorbike parking. I think it's 5,000 for the car. I'm not sure cars come down here. I think there's another parking zone at the top. Cigar ink tattoo. Toilet as well over there. And then just on the right hand side here we have Villa Mahapala. That's the name. Okay, so I've just asked the reception desk to give us permission to go and show you the pool. There is quite a few people around the pool, so we have to be a little bit cautious. Here's the main reception desk lobby area. There's a reception desk just to the left there. Lobby area to the right here. And we have a ramp and our swimming pool is just up here. There's a full view on our swimming pool. Just at the other end of the swimming pool now, so we do have some sun lounges. I don't want to bother the people in the swimming pool because they're swimming. And cascading water feature here. There's a gym facility in the back there. I shall add the link in the description for the video. Big restaurant over there also. Okay, so we're just coming out of Villa Mahapala. A little bit of a truck parked here. Nice little water feature at the front here. Just continue walking down the street, so we're almost at the beach now. You can see the motorbike and car parking continues on along down the street here. A bit of a funky car there. Just on the right hand side now we have the Inner Sindhu Hotel and Resort. It's just through there. So it's quite congested, so it looks as though it's very, very busy in the beach area here, but there's quite a few restaurants in this area. So this is the Inner Sindhu Beach Hotel and Resort. It's there. We have Lahutu's coffee shop just over there. It also has a section for seating on the beach. We've got little markets here, all of the clothes and buckets and spades, inflatables and things like that for sale here. Some on the other side as well. And then here we are, we've arrived at Pantai Sindhu, otherwise known as Sindhu Beach. The sign is there, just behind all of the motorbikes. Just take you a little bit on the beach area here. Oh, we've got a low tide, so it's not going to be such a pleasant beach location. Lahutu's, quite a few restaurants in that direction. Quite a few people on the beach. However, it is low tide. I'm not going to show you the ocean during low tide. It doesn't look too pretty. Just walk you a little bit this way. Here we have the Turtle Conservation Centre. A few tourists out there. Tourists on the sun lounges as well here. Turtle Conservation Centre entrance in there. If you want to look at the different sized turtles. And this is as far as I'm going to go. This is at a place called Amphibia. Collection of local little warungs here. This one specialises in the seafood. And the warungs along the back here. And more here as well. Okay, so that concludes today's video. My street stroll here in Sanur along the street of Jalan Pantai Sindhu, the street that leads you down to Sindhu Beach. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, my starting point being this where Jalan Pantai Sindhu meets the street of Jalan Danatoba, and walking you all the way along down to the beach. You've got a few hotel accommodation options, many of which I have featured in videos previously. I shall add the links in this video description for you, should you wish to take a look at those. Also got a few restaurants, warungs, some of the restaurants doubling up as bars. You had Warung Sports also, the Aussie Orange place as well, a restaurant and a bar, flat screen TVs available in those. Had a few massage and spa. There is actually quite a few shops on the street as well that are usually open. However, they didn't appear to be open during today's walk. I'm not sure whether they closed permanently or whether it's just today. Maybe I picked the wrong day. All in all, this is just a really popular area and a popular place to stay here in the Sanur area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.